Rain hammered the attic window as Clara dusted off her grandmother's old typewriter. She'd inherited the house, and tonight, insomnia led her to explore the dusty, forgotten room. The keys gleamed, untouched for decades beneath a thick layer of dust. Out of curiosity, she rolled in a sheet of paper and pressed a key. It clacked with a satisfying echo that seemed to fill the silent attic. She smiled, until the carriage moved on its own. Letters began to appear, one after another, spelling, "Leave." Clara's breath froze, her heart pounding. She stepped back, but the keys pounded faster, the words shifting. Too late. The room chilled suddenly, her breath visible in the cold air. Shadows stretched across the walls, long and reaching like grasping fingers. The typewriter rattled violently, spitting out page after page, each inked with the same word. Stay. Clara tried to flee, but her feet rooted to the floor as if glued. Invisible hands pressed her fingers to the keys. She screamed as her hands typed over and over, until her voice faded into silence. Days later, the typewriter sits in the attic, a fresh page loaded. If you listen closely, you can hear the keys tapping by themselves, spelling out a new name. Yours.